Welcome to Winning Moves with Manthan Choksi. Hello friends, welcome back to Winning Moves with Manthan Choksi. In today's video, I will show you a very important endgame which is very essential to know when you're playing any level, especially the tournament level. It's one of the most fundamental endgame technique that you should know. So let's have a look at this position. You are having a king and a queen, but the opponent is having a pawn on the 7th rank. This is very dangerous because on the very next move the pawn is getting promoted. So before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for many such informative chess lessons, chess videos and my own chess games. So let's start. In this position, black is threatening to push the pawn and make a new queen. It's white to play. How will white ensure that not only the pawn is not promoted but also white wins the game? If you make any error, the game would end in a draw. So I will show you the technique. The right technique is to start giving check to the black king. Again give check. And now the problem for white is two things. One, there is no way he can stop the pawn from getting promoted, and two, the white king is very far, and without the participation of the king needs to be somewhere over here. Without the participation of the king, white cannot win the game. But the moment white brings the king, black simply promotes the pawn and makes a queen. So here what white needs to do is to bring the black king to block his own pawn, thereby giving you a time to bring the king. So let's see how to do that. So first move is you attack the pawn, forcing the black king to come here, and now you give this important check. This is a double attack. You are attacking the king and the pawn simultaneously, forcing the black king to block his own pawn. And here you have a time, you have a tempo. So now you can bring the king. Now black renews the threat of pawn promotion. So again you have to repeat the same process. You can either pin the pawn by moving the queen here, or you can start giving check on f4. Let's say you start pinning. Black moves the king, unpinning the pawn. Now start giving check. And this move is really important. You attack the pawn, forcing the black king to come on c1. And now here's the double attack. Again you force the black king to block the pawn. And now again you have a time, you have a tempo, so you can bring the king. So in this way you can repeat the process. When the king occupies the queening square, you simply bring the king. Now you can give check, check, attack the pawn, double attack, bring the king. And now when the king comes to e2, you can give the double attack right with the support of the king. And finally the king is here where we wanted to always bring. And now you can capture the pawn and finally deliver checkmate. So this, friends, is a very important endgame which you must know. One of the most basic endgames that you have to understand, and you have to play flawless. Like there are no margin of error. Any wrong move and the opponent would queen. So hope you enjoyed this short lesson. This is Manthan Choksi. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you.